Okay, now this is Orientation 3 supplies. Basically what you're going to need is a computer connection, obviously, and be able to play videos. All right? Other than that, because of the way that the curriculum is organized and because of the pedagogies we use within the curriculum, you're going to need three main things, plus, of course, your pencils, your pens, your erasers, and so forth. Now, pencils, if you will get Ticonderoga 2.5, that's the best pencil you can get. Also, this is a Ticonderoga wonderful little pink eraser, which is very, very good. You're going to want some pens. These are available on Amazon. They're round stick Bic. They're very good. They last a long time. They're good. Now, other than that, you are going to want some cards. Now, 3x5 index cards. You're going to need several white cards. So I would get 1 or 2 packs of white cards, 100 to a pack. Usually you can get these at a dollar store. So they're not $1 anymore, usually $1.25 or maybe $1.50, but that is about the best you're going to be able to do. Then you're going to want colored cards. And if you can buy colored cards in bulk, that is less expensive than a dollar store, then do it. You are going to want to have 200 or 300 count packs of 3x5 lined on one side, colored index cards for each subject that you're going to tackle. In addition to that, composition books, and I happen to have one on my desk right now. I use composition books myself. This is what a composition book looks like. It can be either college ruled or otherwise. We advise college ruled all the way through. And there is a reason for that, because you can use 2 spaces to make entries at the beginning, and then as the child learns to write smaller, the college composition books work really well. The third big item that you're going to need is a notebook, a 3-ring binder. We suggest a view binder. Now, the reason for that is that in some of the courses, you're going to want to be doing research, and you're going to want a place to put that research. And you're probably going to want dividers in that binder, and you're also going to want some sheet protectors for what you have gathered. Particularly in some of the government courses, you're going to want that. So that's a little bit about the supplies that you need. We suggest that you get a pencil sharpener that works really well, and also either get those pink erasers. Don't bother with the ones on the end of the pencil, because they're going to break and so forth. And sometimes the little ones put an awful lot of force on those. And once these are gone, those pink erasers are just wonderful little things. Well, that's about the supplies. Now, some of the courses require books. And if so, you will see that in the course description. Not all courses require books. A lot of the instruction is just on video. And so we ask that you use the composition books, that the students use the composition books to take notes. And it's here. A little bit about using the composition book. You want to date it at the top of the page. You're just going to put a date. You're going to put what course it is. You should have a composition book for each course. Don't try and get 5 different subjects in one composition book. It isn't going to work. So you're going to want a composition book for each course. You're going to put the date down. You're going to put the level of the subject that you're working on, and the unit number and the lesson number. And maybe you're even going to want to copy down the objectives that are given you at the beginning of the lessons, so that you know what you're doing and what you need to do. Then when you get done with this and you've gone through it, maybe you've missed something. Maybe you're going to want to go through the video a second time, and that's a really good idea. Okay? And remember, since things are on videos, you can stop it and start it, and that way make sure that you do get all the notes. Now, after you've done that, you're going to want to use the cards, and that will be explained to you at the beginning and during the courses as you go through them, so that it'll be a very natural thing for you. And also the notebook. We suggest again to start out with one binder, view binder, and then as your child advances, get another view binder and another one, because often if you have 7, 5, 6, 7, 8 subjects in one view binder, we would suggest an 1.5-inch view binder to start with. You're going to find that it's going to fill up, and you're going to want to say, okay, I want this one for history, or I want this one for geography, or I want this one for math, or whatever, and organize it that way. But to begin, just start with one view binder. That's it. We'll see you in Getting Started.